Welcome to ProFit Outdoor Kitchens. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through assembling your factory finished kitchen with a step-up bar. Before you begin, review these quick tips, gather your tools and safety gear, and organize the labeled screw bags. Let's get building. Begin by connecting the back panel to the two side panels. Using the self-drilling screws from bag A, fasten each side panel to the back panel frame by driving the screws from the outside inward. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Next, position the front panel between the side panels. Secure both sides to the front panel frame using screws from bag A, again fastening from the outside inward. From inside the module, locate the pre-installed metal L brackets in the upper and lower corners. Using screws from bag B, fasten each bracket securely to the adjoining frame. Next, install the pre-mitred corner posts. Slide one square corner post vertically into each of the four corners. From inside the frame, use the screws from the bag labeled corners to secure each post firmly in place. Before continuing, remove the temporary panel track from the bottom of the front frame. This track is used only to protect and stabilize the module during transportation. For larger kitchen modules, install the optional support panel labeled F. Position it inside the frame at the matching F reference marks. Then use a square to confirm that it is straight and properly aligned. Secure all four pre-installed brackets to the kitchen frame using screws from bag F. Now install the step-up bar front panel along the upper edge of the module. Fasten the pre-installed corner brackets into the bar panel on both the left and right sides. Where applicable, also secure the bar panel to support panel F, so the assembly is fully reinforced. Finally, install the reinforcement crossbars required for your specific appliances. Position each crossbar in the designated cutouts for the grill, side burner, or other appliance. Then secure it to the front and rear frames using screws from bag C. Your ProFit kitchen frame is now fully assembled and ready for countertops, finishes, and appliances.